There was a boy named Daniel. Daniel was a quiet person. He lived a simple life and worked in a small office. Every day felt the same: work, home, sleep, repeat. But one night, something unexpected happened. A simple message from a stranger changed his life forever. One evening, Daniel was sitting on his bed scrolling through his phone. Suddenly, his phone vibrated. It was a message from an unknown number. Message: "Hi, I think I texted the wrong number, sorry." Daniel smiled and replied, "Daniel, no problem, it happens." The stranger replied again, "Stranger, thank you for being kind. Most people get angry." Her name was Lily. What started as a mistake slowly became a daily conversation. Days turned into weeks. Daniel and Lily talked every night. They talked about dreams, fears, life, and happiness. Daniel felt something special. For the first time in years, he looked forward to every new message. But there was one problem: they had never met. One night, Lily sounded different. Her messages were slower. "Daniel, is everything okay?" After a long pause, she replied, "Lily, Daniel, there is something I never told you." Daniel felt nervous. "Lily, I'm moving to another city next week." Daniel's heart dropped. He realized something important. He wasn't just talking to a friend. He had fallen in love. Daniel stared at his phone for a long time. Should he tell her or stay silent forever? Finally, he typed a message, then deleted it, then typed again. Finally, he sent it. "Daniel, before you leave, I need to tell you something. I think I love you." Minutes felt like hours. No reply. Daniel thought he ruined everything. Then suddenly, his phone vibrated. Lily replied, "Lily, I was waiting for you to say that." Daniel's heart raced. "Lily, I feel the same way, I know, but I was scared." They decided something crazy. They would finally meet before she left the city. The next day, Daniel stood in a small coffee shop. His hands were shaking. Then the door opened. A girl walked in. She looked around, then smiled. "Daniel?" It was Lily. For a moment, they just stared at each other. The person behind thousands of messages was finally real. They talked for hours. It felt natural, like they had known each other forever. Before leaving, Lily said something important. "Lily, distance doesn't scare me if the person is worth it." Daniel smiled. "Daniel, then we'll make it work." Months later, Daniel received another message. But this one was different. It was a picture. Lily standing in front of a new apartment. Under the picture, she wrote, "Guess who moved back?" Daniel laughed. Sometimes, the best love stories start with a mistake. Love doesn't always come with a perfect plan. Sometimes, it starts with a wrong message and becomes the right person.